Happy math, first grade. I'm back, and just like at school, I'm going to drink my coffee. See, we can still pretend we're at school even though we're not, right? And yes, Snake is still here with me. He always has to sit next to me and watch me and make sure I'm doing a good girl job teaching. Am I doing a good girl job, Snake? Yes, thank you. Thank you. All right, so math today. We've had such a fun week talking about money, which is such an important thing. Everybody has to learn about money because it's really important when you're a grown-up to know how to use money and things, and even when you're a kid. So we've talked about how much each coin is worth. We've practiced a lot about counting pennies. With Miss Rozeski, you practiced counting dimes. With me yesterday, you practiced counting nickels. So today we're going to do something a little different, and we're going to do like a little mystery with some clues, which is kind of my favorite. So let's get going on it, shall we? Shall we, friends? Here we go. So look at this cute little froggy purse. This is a friend's purse. A friend of mine has this froggy purse, and this is the clue for you. It says, she has 20 cents in her froggy purse. All of her coins are the same. So I want you to think about that. She has 20 cents in this cute little froggy purse, in that little froggy mouth, but all the coins are the same type of coin. So what do you think is in that purse? I'm going to give you a hint. There's 3 different ways, and we're going to go through them right now. Number 1, look at this way. One way she could have 20 cents with all the coins being the same is she could have 20 pennies, which 20 pennies equals 20 cents. We know that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cents. That's one way you can have 20 cents in the froggy purse. Let's look at a different way. You could have dimes. And how many dimes would you need to have 20 cents? 10, 20. So just 2 dimes is 20 cents. So far she could have either 20 pennies or 2 dimes. They both equal 20 cents. There's one more way to have 20 cents with the coins all being the same. And that is nickels. Nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 4 dimes equals 20 cents. So there's 3 different ways to make 20 cents with the coins being the same. Okay, so good job doing different ways to make 20 cents. Let's do different ways to make 50 cents. So if you had all pennies, how many pennies would we need for 50 cents? How many pennies would we need for 50 cents? Do you know? It would be 50 pennies, right? What about dimes? We count dimes. Dimes are how much? Excuse me. Dimes are how much? 10 cents each, right? So we count dimes by tens, right? We count dimes by tens. So do that. You could even use your fingers, or you could draw a picture. How many dimes do you need to get to 50 cents? 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So how many? 5 dimes. 5 dimes is 50 cents. Okay? All right, let's go back to it. And then nickels. How many nickels do you need for 50 cents? You could do the same thing. You could count on your fingers, or you could draw a picture. I'm gonna, here, you want me to draw you a picture? I can draw you a picture real quick. Let's draw a picture. So a dime is, I'm not talking about dimes, Miss Gilbert. Nickel. See, it is just like school. I'm saying the wrong thing, just messing up. Goodness gracious, Miss Gilbert, nickels. Okay, so we need to get to 50 cents and we're using nickels. How much is a nickel? 5 cents, right? Okay, so look what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw circles, and each circle I'm going to count by 5 because we're doing nickels. Let me scooch over here so you can see, okay? So 5, 10, 15, you can't see that very good. There you go. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And I'm going to stop at 50 because we're only trying to get to 50 cents, right? So, how many nickels did I draw? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 nickels is 50 cents. So, what you might want to do, if your mommy and daddy say it's okay, is get some coins, get some dimes, get some nickels, get some pennies, because that's what we're talking about, and just practice counting them. If mommy and daddy say, no, absolutely not, you can't do that, that's okay. You could get a paper and you could just draw some. Or you could ask your mommy and daddy for scissors and some paper and you could make some coins to practice counting. It's kind of fun practicing money because then when you're a grown-up and you have to go to the grocery store or go to Target to buy shoes, that's what I like to do at Target, you'll know how to use money really well. So go ahead and go practice with some money. Play store with your brother and sister. It's fun. Have fun. I miss you. I love you. And I hope to see you soon. Bye, babies.